How to convert image into sketch in Canva. Open up any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type canva.com and hit enter. Next, open a blank page in Canva. I've already got one ready, but you can easily create your own design page to get started. Now, head over to the Apps section in Canva. In the search bar, type Sketchify. Once you've entered that, hit enter. Click on the Sketchify app from the search results, which will take you directly to its settings page. To begin transforming your image, you need to upload the file you would like to convert to a sketch. Click on the Choose File button. Select and upload the image you want to convert into a sketch. Now give it a moment. Sketchify will start converting your uploaded image. As you can see, Sketchify automatically adds the sketched version of your image to the design page. Let's experiment with another image. I'll choose this beach background image. Once again, let's wait as Sketchify processes this new image. And there you have it. The second image has been successfully turned into a sketch.